Well, as we watch our hospitals stretch to the limit to care for the COVID patients, the same is happening to the doctors and nurses who care for them. When this is all over, we'll owe them a huge debt of gratitude. But as Garvin Thomas shows us, one North Bay artist isn't waiting that long to show it.
Here, see, this is the real artist look.
When you're an artist like John Deckert, working from home is nothing new.
I'm 72 now, and I've been painting since I was 19, 20 years old.
So when the pandemic hit, it didn't change how John painted. It has, though, changed what or who he paints. John couldn't help but notice the people around him who didn't have the option of staying at home.
So I just, I started doing all these, the milkman, the delivery guy, the mailman, somebody working at the cash register. It was like all of these occupations that they just had to keep working.
It was the start of a series of portraits of people who risked their health to keep our world working. Once finished, John gives the portrait to the subject for free. John has lately been focusing on those working on the very front lines, nurses at Santa Rosa Memorial Hospital.
There's time and there's thoughtfulness to it.
Sheila Smith has been a nurse at Memorial for 18 years. She got a message from John asking her to take a picture of herself and some colleagues, which John then spent hours upon hours turning into portraits.
It's like one of my post-prize possessions now because it just represents an amazing act of just thoughtfulness and kindness, the bright light during a really hard season of being a nurse.
I felt very honored to be included in one of his portraits.
Lori North also had her portrait done. The two nurses say over the past year they have received gifts of gratitude for their work, such as food or masks, but nothing like this.
It's acknowledging what they have done and thank you. And I have a special skill, and you shared whatever skill you have, and I'm sharing mine.
A truly timeless gift, honoring just how important their roles have been during such a troubled time. Garvin Thomas, NBC Bay Area News.